Alright, we've got some crazy storm damage from last night. Fence blew over, statues down, 4 or 5 trees there, a big tree right here. This is all just 2 miles from my house. We got a big tree right there, came down, big old branch there. I'm just gonna take you down this whole stretch of road. Nice one right here. A couple of them, one there, one here. Crazy work. Alright, right here there's a tree that fell into a metal building right there. Big building blew over, tree blew over. This guy's barn door caved in. No more barn door. Tree halfway out in the road fell over right here. It's crazy. This lady right here on the left has 2 big old trees came down in her property. Right there. One there, one here. Someone's already got it cut up for her, that's nice. But it came down right there. This lady's fence blew over. More fence. We had 60 to 100 mile an hour winds last night, so that's very fast. Nice tree came down right here. Big old top of this tree came off, fell down right there. Whole lot of tree damage in there. All those properties. Big branch. I'm in the RV we fixed up. If you haven't seen that video, check it out right here. Just got the oil change done on her. Gonna head up to Oregon in this sucker, so. All right, here we go. Got a lot more damage up here. Big old tree was in the road this morning. Someone came by, cut it up, that's nice. Branches over here. This lady's garage door blew in. That's no fun. Have to see if we can help her fix that. Bunch of branches blew across right here. Bunch of trees down right here. I'm pulling into our neighborhood. Big old tree down over there in the middle of the field. Right there. And a bunch more like that up here. Those ones across the water. Got a couple new bridges made, I guess. Lots of branches, lots of trees. Lots of those have been cleaned up already. That's good. They're all put in a pile mostly. This one's a bummer. This is my neighbor. They've got a tree that came down on their boat right there. So that's no fun. And there's our place. Lots of little branches down, but thankfully no trees this time.